Hello friends, my name is Wilson. Hello friends, my name is Wilson.
I'm Cass.
And welcome to Two Kids and a Startup. Today we're going to be talking about...
A little tiff we had.
Yeah, she's not too happy with me. That means we have a conflict. Okay, this is a real life conflict. She's not that happy because I have a workshop that I needed to go to, a dinner that I need to set up, and I gave her
Zero.
the most notice I could, which is like
Zero.
a week's time. Okay, it was in the beginning of the week, and we needed to execute at the end of the week. That was it.
I'm so glad we have the footage.
Let's dive right in.
Yes. Friday, Saturday, I'm gone. Just workshop. Crystal's coming.
So you won't. Yeah. So
Saturday.
Saturday?
Yeah.
Repeating the day doesn't even make it any much better. Did you see her face?
You know how scary is it? Like in a normal setting, me as like, working with my colleagues or, I'll be like, guys, I'm not gonna be here on Friday. Boom, done. No, don't even have to think about it. Like, it's so weird that like I have to bring the other side of me to work that I'm scared to like, Cass, I have to
I know
go on
what a
Friday,
good
Saturday.
solution would be for that. Protect your weekends.
Well,
But anyways,
it's not up to me. It's not my conference.
So it's not Saturday, Sunday.
Not Saturday. Just Friday, Saturday. That's it.
So I'll just be single parenting.
On a Saturday. That's it.
It's
Friday, it's the same thing. Friday you have work. Like we don't get I went home by 5.
Yeah, just Saturday. It's a workshop for business and personal branding from Chris.
It doesn't even help at all. That's so funny.
now you know.
I think that's
It's Saturday. It's Saturday. It's a brand and workshop. It's Chris Doe. I'm like, tell it to somebody who cares.
It's a friend. We're actually hosting him for Founders Dinner on Thursday too.
Did you know about this earlier? Could you not have told me earlier?
Ish. I just confirmed it, that's why. Just confirmed.
Then publicized.
I was trying to figure out whether or not I'm gonna go, that's all. Does it make sense for me to go?
If you told me the dates earlier, then I could have actually planned activities, play dates, childcare.
You know what, guys? I'm just gonna grab a water real quick.
I mean, honestly, like I know you get it.
I get the reason
You get
why.
it,
Look,
yes.
okay, from a work obligation, I get it. Like, sure, you
get
can go. But I think this goes back to the relationship side of me is
Yeah.
more so if when you have an inkling that your time might be occupied, then I can proactively plan. It's all about just communication. I stand on this one.
And I think that's also the challenge of working with your partner.
Yeah, of course.
It's so mixed. It's like
It is mixed.
Like from a work standpoint, it's like you don't know if it's worth investing your time, resources, energy, and if it's gonna happen or not. Like I don't even know.
I agree, but I think because it is a work obligation and it is because we have a work relationship that I understand your need to go on a weekend. However, it's about just communicating in
agree.
advance so that then I'm happily able to take it on.
You know what? I will work better around that. I agree with you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're decent with it too. Aside from the days that you gotta make sure you jab it in, it's like make sure that you.
I
freaking
jab it
get
in because it's
You get
many jabs times
Yeah,
before.
You're gonna be like, make sure that you feel it, okay? Make sure that when you're at the conference, you remember the pain.
I think I'm relatively understanding, even
Yeah.
if we didn't work together. But because I work together, I am even more understanding of what role I need to do when he's gone.
And this is something that I really appreciate about you. Something special about our bond is that we approach this as a team. And I agree with you 100%. You're always there. I just didn't give you a heads up. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna pass the ball to you. And I gave you very late notice, and I get why and where the frustration comes from. And so I apologize for that.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I mean, coming to these events and taking time off is always comes at a compromise. Compromise of family and then also work. On one end, you want to continue to develop, you want to continue to do better, learn, and at the same time network, which is also part of your job. And I know that coming to this event has caused some sort of conflict with Cass because it's leaving her to deal with the kids.
Hi, my name is Jordan and I'm 4 years old. Goodbye. I'm making pancakes.
Create it with sprinkles instead. Oh, it's recording.
Yeah.
What are we making? Come here. Camera. You're the camera girl.
No,
What are you?
I have to just put it on something. You know, so you have to take off your phone.
No. Go look at mommy. Look at mommy. Record what mommy's doing.
Mommy, what did you say?
What are you doing? Hey, I'm cleaning Philo's private part. Ooh, so exciting. So exciting. Wait.
Well, that's a good transition.
And it has the heart and the stickers.
You are Chef Mummy. Chef Mummy, what are you doing? We are going to make cookies. Goodbye.
That's why we do what we do,
Mm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's why these vlogs are so good. It's like allows us to have a reason to reflect, reason to learn. I think the biggest thing is like, yeah, I'm learning through this process. It's like it's tough to balance the two of
It ain't easy.
yeah, it's not easy.
Yeah.
I think so. I think it's oh. Yeah.
Well,
Well.
thank you.
You know what? Like just putting it out there, we're in a very, very fortunate position where we have a choice. Some of our friends don't have a choice. They need to work on the weekends. They need to work on the holidays. They need to be able to make ends meet. Just like how when I was growing up, I never got to see my parents. They're like, by the time they come back, I'm already sleeping. And by the time I'm awake, and I'm already at school, so I barely saw my parents.
I think as parents, in our kids' eyes, we show up quite well, and I feel like we're there. It's a conscious effort to be there. It takes like these type of navigating situations to be there. When it comes down to it, what is your priority if you had to choose, right? Like for me, naturally, I chose, if we're in the situation, I would be like, I'd rather be home. And there's been plenty of times where we had work trips and I didn't want to have the choice of having the kids be at somewhere else. And I would much rather intentionally choose to skip the work trip so that I could be there for the kids and be the parent.
Anyways, enough. We will see you guys next week. Make sure you guys leave comments, let us know what you guys think, and we will see you soon.